Hi guys, I'm Susan. Welcome to my channel. And today I will show some snap jewelries. We have kinds of bracelets and necklace and rings available in our website. If you are interested and you can go to our website to purchase. So today what kind of jewelry I will show you? Let's see our desk. And with this one, our snap button bracelet is at about 6 to 7.5 inch. Snap size about 19mm diameters. 7mm thickness. Suitable for 18 or 20mm snap buttons. For that kind of buttons, okay? And this fashion silver home banger bracelet features stainless steel woven rope chains, and our snap charming bracelet is bucket clasp design, elegant appearance, and easy to open without any helpers. So it is convenient to put on and take off. Very easy for us to take. This is the bracelet is adjustable and 7.5 to 9 inch extension and with the toggle clasp, and snap about 22mm diameters, fine thickness, mixed color by resonance. You can choose by yourself what you like. And triple coats pure leather 3 snap bracelets. Okay, fit for 18 to 20mm your short size DIY snap charms for us. Okay, so such kind of beautiful things. We need beautiful snap buttons. Now I wear the snap jewelry bracelets on my wrist, and now try one by one for the very beautiful things. First we use this. And if you haven't started your own collection of ginger snap jewelry, I hope you look at our bracelets. I'm sure our jewelry will convince you that you should buy them on your jewelry box. Very beautiful things. It starts with the stylish bracelet for women as well as necklace, rings, and accessories. So that give you ability to change things up to fit your moods, and also your match your outfits. It's all about individuality. So jewelry ginger snap is fun for us, okay? And this is not so expensive also, and this only need $2.46. 2.46, you can got such beautiful things. We try this one. This. I like this. Very beautiful things. And use this. Very nice. Just snap jewelries. You can change according to your mood. Everything is very easy. I simply press them out of the ring and necklace bracelet with your finger and replace them with new designs. So if you are lucky and you follow us and go to our website to purchase. Waiting for you.